being organized? Nini inapangwa?
You know there are many schemes that are going on every day. You have seen meetings. You have seen meetings of trying to divide the people of Mount Kenya region. You have seen meetings of undermining the deputy president. You have seen people being caught and being offered money to impeach the deputy president, to remove him from office, and all that nonsense that is going on. And I was saying, you see, some are elected by the people. And I asked the people directly whether they have a problem with my leadership. And they said they don't have. I drew my mandate directly from the people. And what I was saying, anybody who has a problem with my leadership, anybody who has a problem with my conduct, has every business to talk to my employer, the people of Kenya.
Okay.
Those are the people who make decisions over my conduct. Those are the people who can appraise my performance. Those are the people who can give an opinion as to what they think I'm doing, whether it's right or wrong.
Okay. You're saying that people have been offered money to remove you from office. How so?
It's the worst kept secret in Kenya. I leave it at that.
No, but you're talking about it. How much money has been offered?
Well, it's neither here nor there.
I
think let's go for more informative discussion.
No, we will get there, Deputy President. We just want to dispense with this because you're the one who is saying it, that people are being offered money. Indeed, that's a crime, isn't it?
Yes, of course it's a crime.
So who's offering the money?
You know.
No, I don't know.
You get to know.
I don't know, Deputy President.
You get to know. These things will come out as in the fullness of time. These are things that will come out in the public domain.
Why would they want you out?
I don't know. I don't know.
What are they telling you?
They'll tell us. When they want to get us out, they'll tell us. They say that I'm high-headed. Yeah, that I am too people-centered. You know, that I'm listening to people too much. You know, that I am asking people to listen to what Kenyans are saying. I don't think it's a crime. I think leadership is about the people. And for you to be a good leader, you need to listen to the people. And I keep on listening to the people myself. And I keep on asking leaders, my fellow leaders, to listen to the people. And I'll continue listening to the people. And that's what I was doing today. And I'm wiser this evening than I was in the morning when I left here. I've known many things. I am well informed. Because you must listen to your employer, because it's important that you listen to your employer.
You're saying that people who have a problem with you should consult the people. In what forum? I mean, where is that in the Constitution?
Consulting the people about leadership.
So that they can take action against you. I mean, where do you place that in the Constitution?
I'm talking about leadership. I'm saying before you take any decision on any issue, on matters governance, on matters leadership, it's important that you listen to what the people are saying all the time. And that's what I do myself. I don't, even the Constitution, 2010 Constitution, you know, gives public participation as an integral part of our governance structure. That anything that affects the people drastically, you need to listen to them. You need to go to them. You have seen many things going to court and being thrown out for lack of adequate public participation. Public participation is part and parcel of our life in this country, and more so in matters leadership, in matters governance.
Deputy President, who told you there was a plan to impeach you?
I am a consumer of information. When you call people for meetings, most of them are our people. When you coerce them, you intimidate them, you offer them bribes, they come and report to us. And, you know, what people must know is that people have loyalties. And you may talk to many people and tell them what you want them to do, and you think that you are keeping a very big secret. You know, we get to know these things when the meetings are going on, or immediately after the meeting. You know, meetings have been held in Nyahururu. We know what was being discussed. Meetings have been held in Kitusuru, you know, in the house of a cabinet secretary. We know what was being discussed. We know the amount of money that exchanged hands.
How much?
All these things are in the public domain.
How much?
Never, don't worry. Are you interested in the money yourself? Don't worry about, I don't think anybody will find any of that money, so you shouldn't be worried about the amount. But all these things that are happening, people know, and some. Now, let nobody underestimate the intelligence of the Kenyan people. The Kenyan people are very intelligent people, and they have come of age. And as I listen to people today, even when I was going to explain to them what is happening, they said, no, don't even bother. We know.
You know, Deputy President, the interesting bit is that you're revealing information, but halfway. You've just now revealed there's a cabinet secretary who hosted a meeting in Kitisuru. Who hosted the other meetings? Who organized them?
Some have told you. You have seen the meetings yourself. I've just told you what was being discussed inside those meetings. I'm giving you info on what was going on.
Only meeting
you are aware of the meetings.
The only meeting I know about is of the members of parliament that came out and said that their leader is now...
That was not the real issue. No, the real issue is what I'm telling you about.
In that meeting, it was discussed that they were going to be
the
impeached.
one that was held the whole night in Nyahururu. The whole night, that was what came out is not the real issue. The one of dividing the mountain into two, the one of looking for another leader, that was not the issue. The issue is how you can force a deputy president out of office. You know, that was the issue. It was the real issue that was being discussed in that meeting. And people know, and they reported to us, many people, most of them were coerced into that meeting. They were intimidated in that meeting. In fact, in the photograph, there were only 28. There were 35. And 7 of them ran away because they didn't want to be photographed. The others were said to be 48. The balance from 35 minus 48, I think is about 15, were not even there. And most of them, the Honorable Mother Wangari, denied that she had not participated. The Honorable Munyoro, the MP for Kegumo, wrote a letter saying he was not part of it. There was a lot of question, there was a lot of intimidation, there was a lot of bribery.
Question from who?
Yeah, for those who have the capacity to coerce.
Who are those?
Pressurize.
You can describe them without naming.
You know them.
I don't know.
Well,
Deputy President.
you live, you get Sam, you're an adult. You have been around for a long time.
I can confirm I am,
Yes.
but I don't have that information. You do.
You'll find out with the time.
And as conversations are going, because you're saying